Once upon a time, bellyfat and I were in a toxic relationship. No matter what I did, it refused to leave. Then, one fine day, I discovered dates not the romantic kind, but the sweet, chewy kind. Little did I know, these tiny powerhouses would help me win the breakup battle with bellyfat for good. Want to know how? Stick around. Morning Energy Booster. Start your day with 2 to 3 soaked dates to fuel your body with natural sugars and fiber, which can improve metabolism and curb hunger. Dates and warm water. Consume dates with a glass of warm water to aid digestion and prevent bloating, supporting a flatter tummy. Dates as a pre-workout snack. Eat a couple of dates before exercising for a quick energy boost without adding empty calories. Add to smoothies. Blend dates into green smoothies with spinach, cucumber, and ginger for a nutrient-rich, belly-fat fighting drink. Date and nut mix. Pair dates with nuts like almonds or walnuts as a healthy snack that balances sugar levels and keeps you full longer. Make date syrup. Use date syrup as a natural sweetener in teas, oatmeal, or yogurt instead of refined sugar to reduce calorie intake. Dates with cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon on dates to enhance their fat-burning properties and improve digestion, helping you achieve a toned midsection. And there you have it, 8 amazing ways to use dates to shed belly fat fast. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to crush your fitness goals. Let's make this journey sweet, literally.